Today I will go ahead and display you our business intelligence module. What is the main thing which is important in business intelligence module and how it is helpful to you? Quickly, let's go to our business intelligence module. Here, please have a look. So we have provided few of the details in business intelligence module. Like the very first part is the cards. Order due today, order due in 7 days, and orders overdue. So all the details get fetched from your sales order delivery date. Going below, please have a look. We have provided a filter to go and see the graph and chart here, because we have provided multiple charts and graphs here. So you can very well go ahead and select the time period like last 6 weeks, last 3 months, 12 months, month to date, or custom dates as well, previous financial year. Choose it according to your requirement. Now, coming to the next part, this is the graphical representation. So please have a look. I can see that in May month, what was my total sales? I can very well go ahead and check the same for the April month. In the next part, it also gives you a display around the expected amount. So expected amount is calculated according to the formula. Please have a look. It is being described here. Current month value plus number of days passed in this month into total number of days in this month. So it completely fetches your previous sales detail and then after gives you an analogy that this will be the graph in the going month. Now coming to the next part, that is the region wise breakup of sales order. So whenever you go ahead and create a sales document, you simply go ahead and put down the state there, the place of supply, if I can go ahead and highlight that. So it gives you a proper visibility around that in which state most of your sales is getting happen. So in this scenario, please have a look. In Maharashtra, the total number of sales which is increasing. So I can see that from where, I mean to say that which state client are more useful to me, are reaching me very fast. Now going below the customer wise, have a look. So it gives you the entire part of the data that which customer is buying your product in a very frequent manner, who where your product is being sold mostly. So please have a look. In this scenario, the Ramkey enterprise is purchasing huge number of goods from me. Now coming to the next part, that is the product wise. So in product wise, it gives you a visibility that which of the product is being sold in a very frequent manner. Same goes in the category wise, like which type of product is being sold in the most part. So here wall material is being sold in a very frequent manner. If I go above, so same scenario we have provided in the purchase, quotation, accounts, inventory, and sales invoice. So suppose if I go ahead and click on the purchases, it also displays you again first the graphical representation, then after supplier wise detail, product wise detail, category wise detail. Here we have also provided a figure that you can go ahead and simply look into a particular segment. It also gives you the total purchase amount and month on month growth rate. So this is how our business intelligence works, and it gives you a very big insight around your business. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.